Are you looking to scale your business with a custom Laravel application? Ever wondered how outsourcing Laravel development could benefit your project? Curious about finding the right partner to bring your vision to life? Let's explore how outsourcing Laravel application development services can be your game changer. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gary, and in this video, we'll explore the transformative benefits of outsourcing Laravel application development services. Through this extensive guide, we intend to help you understand the whens, whys, and hows of Laravel development outsourcing. First of all, let's start by answering the important question: why do businesses today need robust Laravel applications? These days, businesses need scalable, secure, and efficient web applications to stay ahead. Laravel offers a powerful framework that enables rapid development and customization. Having a dedicated team of Laravel experts ensures your application meets industry standards and user expectations. Outsourcing Laravel development allows businesses to focus on core competencies while leveraging specialized skills. Before we delve into the details, let's talk about some facts first. The percentage of developers using Laravel globally are 7.58. and annual revenue generated by Laravel is USD 5.7 million. Not just this, it holds a market share of approximately 36%. Not to mention, some of the top websites that are built using Laravel are October CMS, Cache, Allison, MyRap, and Alpha Coders. Moving further, let's look at the benefits of outsourcing Laravel application development services. Outsourcing Laravel development brings onboard expert developers with deep knowledge and experience in the Laravel framework. Outsourcing Laravel application development can significantly reduce costs associated with hiring, training, and infrastructure. By outsourcing Laravel development, businesses can redirect internal resources to focus on core business activities and strategic initiatives. Outsourcing offers unparalleled scalability, allowing businesses to easily ramp up or down the development efforts as market demands fluctuate. Moving further, let's have a look at the step-by-step process to outsource Laravel development project. Outsourcing a Laravel development project involves several steps to ensure clarity, efficiency, and successful collaboration with your chosen outsourcing partner. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate through the process. Step 1 is define your project requirements. Clearly outline what you want to achieve with your Laravel project. This includes defining features, functionality, timelines, and any specific technical requirements. Step 2 is research and select an outsourcing partner. You should look for outsourcing companies or freelancers with experience in Laravel development. Consider factors such as portfolio, expertise, client testimonials, and their understanding of your industry. Step 3 is initial contact and project discussion. Reach out to your chosen outsourcing partner to discuss your project in detail. This involves sharing your project requirements and asking questions to gauge their understanding and capabilities. Step 4 is request for proposal or quotation. You should ask for a detailed proposal or quotation from the outsourcing partner. This should include project scope, timeline, cost breakdown, and any other terms and conditions. Step 5 is negotiation and contract signing. You should negotiate terms including milestones, payment schedule, project management approach, and intellectual property rights. Once agreed upon, sign a contract to formalize the agreement. Step 6 is project planning. Work with the outsourcing partner to create a project plan with timelines, deliverables, and milestones. Define communication channels, tools and reporting mechanisms. Step 7 is development and iterations. The development process begins according to the agreed upon plan. Regular updates and iterations ensure alignment with your requirements. Use project management tools for transparency and collaboration. Step 8 is quality assurance and testing. Ensure rigorous testing of the Laravel application for functionality, performance, security, and usability. Address any issues or bugs promptly. Step 9 is deployment and launch. You should prepare for deployment by finalizing hosting, domain setup, and any necessary configurations. Coordinate with the outsourcing partner to ensure a smooth launch. Step 10 is post-launch support and maintenance. Discuss post-launch support and maintenance options with the outsourcing partner. Clarify responsibilities for updates, bug fixes, and ongoing support. By following these steps, you can effectively manage the outsourcing of your Laravel development project and maximize the chance of achieving your desired outcomes. Each step contributes to building a collaborative and successful partnership with your outsourcing team. After all the inputs we have shared, you must be wondering how much does it cost to outsource Laravel application development services. Well, the cost of outsourcing Laravel application development services can vary widely depending upon several factors. The first one is project complexity. The complexity of the application significantly impacts cost. Next comes developers' experience. Rates can vary based on the experience level of the developers involved, whether they are junior, mid-level, or senior developers. Third factor could be location of the outsourcing partners. Rates can surely differ based on the geographical location of the outsourcing company. For example, rates in Eastern Europe or Asia might be lower compared to North America or Western Europe. Then comes project scope and timeline. The size of the project, its specific requirements, and the timeline for completion all would influence the cost. Then comes additional services. Services such as design, testing, ongoing support, and maintenance can add to the overall cost. To provide you a general idea, hourly rates are something like junior developers might charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour, mid-level developers from $50 to $100 per hour, and senior developers from $100 to $200 or more per hour. Then there's an option of fixed project costs. Depending upon the complexity and scope of the project, fixed project costs can range from a few $1,000s for simpler projects to tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars for more complex applications. It's crucial to obtain detailed quotes from outsourcing companies based on your specific project requirements and to ensure transparency regarding what is included in the pricing. For example, number of revisions, support after deployment, etc. Additionally, consider factors like communication ease, cultural compatibility, and the outsourcing company's track record when evaluating cost effectiveness. If you want to provide maximum value to your clients, trust no other than Softtrix for your outsourcing Laravel application development needs. Softtrix is a leading web development company specializing in offering top-notch services to its clients. If you have a project to discuss, feel free to contact anytime. We would be happy to offer you a free quote for your needs. That's all for today. If you found this session helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.